Right, whilst he has lunch mix, it's the 1412 East Midlands Railway service from London St Pancras to Sheffield. Two 2014. Right. Next up, the cross-country train service from Banbury to Newcastle, 1E40. Two 20003. It's got 4 cars. 1 Victor 58 for Penzance. 221121. Number 1. With the 1427 East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield to London St Pancras. (1431) London St Pancras to Sheffield. Next up for the Derwent Valley, the 1436 East Midlands Railway service from Derby to Matlock. (17511). With 9 cars! 1446 Bristol Templemead to Glasgow Central. Two 20024. 221132. We'll keep it on for X-Transport for Wales. I don't know the translations, but Matlock to Derby. 7271.